Okay, here we go. I can't believe I'm saying it, but we are in Brooklyn. That's right, because I'm here for all of you who are thinking about relocating to Brooklyn. Don't forget to reach out to us at the Wheelock team. We would love to help you if you think this place might be for you. But for now, let's just get to the penthouse. Come on. So excited. I'm here with Tony Nicola from Compass, and we are in Penthouse 1A, perfect, at 509 Pacific Street.
Yes.
Tell us about the building. This is so cute.
So this is the Hendrick, located in Prime Borough Hill. This unit is a 3-bed, 2.5-bath penthouse with 2 outdoor spaces. The light and views are absolutely spectacular. On a clear day, we have a view of the Statue of Liberty. But the layout is really gracious. You have a full primary suite with walk-through closet. We'll show you that. It's a full-time doorman building. There is parking available for sale, a residence lounge, gym, and even a pet spa.
Okay, that is so amazing. We were actually laughing about this a little bit because I know if you aren't from here and you're thinking about relocating to here, you might think, oh, of course, I just hose my dog off outside after I take him out of the rain. But you don't have that option here. So having this pet spa is actually really, really great to have.
Yes, it's a really handy convenience.
Yes, and then secondly, if you ever have the opportunity to buy parking, buy it. Doesn't matter if you have a car or not. If you have the opportunity to buy it and then rent it out. It's another form of income. So the fact that they even have that, and it may not be for sale, but if it is, that's such a great option for people that are looking for the parking.
Yes.
And it's a new construction building, generally.
Generally, yeah. It was built about 6 years ago.
Perfect.
This is the original owners that own this. They have kept it in the most immaculate, pristine condition, so it looks like it's never been lived in.
It really does. It looks so nice, so nice. And something about being the second owner that I think is awesome is you're getting in generally when it's still new, in good condition, but you don't have to work out any of the kinks that you have to with brand new construction because things always have to be worked through, right, when they're turned on for the first time. And you also don't have to pay the closing costs that you have to when you have new development. So you get the best, I think, of all worlds when you're buying that first resale property.
Absolutely.
Awesome. And then this location, tell me about it.
So Prime Borough Hill, you are at the crossroads of some of the best neighborhoods in all of Brooklyn. We are Prime Borough Hill. You can walk to all the restaurants of Fort Greene, Park Slope, Cobble Hill, all of the shops of Atlantic Avenue, even Brooklyn Heights. So I call this the Union Square of Brooklyn.
It is.
We also have, the most amazing transportation. There's 9 subway lines plus Long Island Railroad just 2 blocks away.
That's amazing. And you know what? As soon as you mentioned transportation, 9 subways, and the Long Island Railroad, I would think of noise. But I haven't heard a single thing the entire time.
It's pin drop quiet here. The developers did an amazing job. The windows are airtight. You really don't hear anything. It's a very, very peaceful location, but yet centrally located to everything.
Yes, and I know some of you are thinking about moving out of Manhattan, where to go for the next step. You want some more space. This is an amazing location for that because I think that this location, being the Union Square, I love it, coin it, trademark, you gotta pay her if you use it. But I love that you still kind of feel like you're in the busyness and conveniences of Manhattan, so I feel like it's a really easy step out.
Totally, totally. It's a really good transition neighborhood if you're hesitant to leave Manhattan.
Yeah, which, I mean, I get it. You should be, but there are good things here. I love it. Awesome. So can I see a tour?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so I'm loving this open kitchen living room concept. Do you know what the floors are?
These are wide plank white oak. They
Beautiful.
are in pristine condition. The cabinetry in this kitchen is really beautiful. It's hardwood. You can see the paneled fridge. It's like a real size fridge, not an apartment size, but like a house size fridge, double ovens, wine fridge, gas range, which is not going to be easy to come by moving forward. Plenty of storage, this beautiful marble island. And you can see that even though it's a combined kitchen, dining, living space, it's really generously sized, which is not always a given in these apartments. So you have plenty of space for the actual living room and then a separate area where you can fit a really nice sized dining table.
Yeah, and I want to make 2 quick comments because number 1, this looks like a functional kitchen meant for people that actually use it, which I know is not every New Yorker, but there are many New Yorkers that do cook, so it's great for that. And then also I love that you have a terrace right off of this space. That makes it so easy for indoor, outdoor dining, morning coffee, evening glass of wine, with a gorgeous view. As you said, you can see all the way to the Statue of Liberty.
Exactly, and the sunset's right over there. So in the evening, you get a beautiful sunset. It's really spectacular.
I mean, come on, that's amazing. All right, onto the bedrooms?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so this is the primary.
This is the primary, yes.
Ensuite.
Ensuite, room for a king-size bed. You have these 3 beautiful windows. There's an entire wall of custom built-ins.
That's great.
Walk-through closet and a beautiful bath with soaking tub, double vanities, and radiant heat floors.
Yes, all of those must have things in New York City. I also love that they have all these extra built-ins. I feel like new development, again, I feel like I'm gonna keep comparing it to that because that is, people looking at new development would look at this, but that's what you don't get anymore.
Exactly.
There's no closet space.
Exactly.
We need our closet space.
And if you add something like this, it's gonna cost a really large amount of money.
But and it's space.
Yes.
Yes, it's done. Beautiful. All right, and there's 2 other bedrooms.
There's 2 other bedrooms.
Let's go.
2 other bedrooms, full bathroom, and it's really nice because the layout allows the 2 bedrooms to be off from the primary, and there's actually a really nice sort of hallway area, wide hallway. So you have plenty of space, and there is a pantry in there as well as a washer dryer.
Which is a must for every 3 bedroom, I would say for most apartments in general, but definitely if you need 3 bedrooms, you should have a washer dryer.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and another terrace.
And another terrace.
So amazing. It's great for plants. There's a beautiful one behind us. And then a half bath when you enter.
Exactly. So 3 beds, 2.5 baths.
So amazing. Honestly, this size is phenomenal. And the building is great, and they just kept such good condition, or they kept this in such good condition. Totally. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's pristine, which is such a added value.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome. Okay, so if you are thinking about where to move, right? Maybe you want to come out to Brooklyn, or maybe you're relocating, and if you just heard that Brooklyn is cooler than Manhattan, I don't know. Check out the episode. People have comments. But I know that Tony would love to show us around again, and I would love to come see this place again, especially when it's beautiful and bright outside. And yeah, thank you so much for giving us the tour.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming.
Definitely. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Am I in the jungle? No, I'm just in Brooklyn, next to a plant. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode, and be sure to reach out to the Wheelock team for all of our real estate needs. And of course, comment, like, subscribe, and send it to a friend who's relocating or just relocating out of Manhattan. Who do you know? Be sure to be in touch. Bye, guys.